Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a Ranger RCI-63FFD4 again today for a tune-up report for Odell in South Carolina. Odell asked us to do a couple of toys in here. We got on this switch, we have placed the amplifier. So when I push that in, I get an amp. I push it out, I get none. On this switch, I have a noise toy. When I push it in, we get a mortar explosion that he wanted. Okay, let's check it out. Up there, I got it all set up for high power first. I hate to do it backwards. Let's switch it around. Alright, I'm going to turn the amp off. Put this on one. Take this out and put a 50 in. Okay, so sticking to the routine, we have the amplifier turned off and the variable power all the way down. And now we got 10 watts at the top scale. About 1 and all the way up. It's a little over 6. The 50 watt scale, that's the middle one up here. Audio. That's just a little above. I think it goes to 52. Audio. Okay. And that's it. There's only AM and peak power on this radio. So let me turn the amp on. And go ahead and put those other slugs back in. This is a 500 watt going in the peak reader. And over here, we'll put it on 100 watts. Turn the power all the way down again. And now up here, we got 10 watts all the way down. And 100 watts all the way up for carrier. My peak power, 500 watt slug. See, we'll be reading in the middle again. Just add 2 zeros. Audio. Oh, my voice getting rough. That's right. Audio. Pretty close to 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Check. Audio. 1, 2. And there you have it. And there you have it. How about a channel 19? Can I get a radio check?